We now move to our next FinTech Startup Challenge 2017, powered by HDFC Life. This challenge aimed at assessing solutions and executing proof of concept for HDFC Life with respect to the difficulties of creating signature and photo verification tools that enables the transition from physical documentation capture to electronic fulfillment of data needs. Before I call our challengers on stage, as before, I'd like to introduce you to our jury. May I request jury members to take the table on the far left. Mr. J. A. Chowdhury, IT advisor to the AP government. May I request you to take your place on the jury table. Mr. Suresh Badami, Chief Operating Officer. Mr. Thomas, CTO of HDFC Standard Life. Mr. Akshay Dhanak, Vice President, Business and Technology, HDFC Standard Life. Mr. Prasad Vanga of Anthill Ventures. Thank you, jury members. Let's welcome on stage our first challenger for this topic. Team Jumio is our first challenger. Team Jumio, can we have you on stage? I'll give you a minute to get your presentation started. When you know the rules, you have 10 minutes of presentation time, and the jury gets to ask you questions after that. If you're ready, Team Jumio, your time starts now.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vikram Kapoor. I'm from Jumio. I would like to start with the Jumio offerings that we have. About Jumio, we are headquartered in Palo Alto, California. We have about 300 customers. We serve over 200 countries. We have offices in Jaipur and Udaipur in India, where we have 1,000 employees. We also have offices in London, Vienna, and Linz. Our mission is to simplify and secure digital business for our customers. We have three kinds of products, if we call our products, or our three tripod stands. The one is the ID verification, where we verify the IDs, passport, driver license, and the document ID. The other is the identity verification, that the person holding the ID is the actual person. The ID is not stolen. We have a very simple process. We just go on our app. You choose the country as India. You choose the type of ID you have, passport, license, ID card. You scan the document. Our application will take the picture. You upload the document. Our application will do a check, initial check, whether the ID is readable or not. Then we have a rack space behind, which will do the other checks inbuilt into the system. Finally, we have ID verification experts who will define if the ID is valid or not, and you will get an output which is called Net Verify Scan. As I explained to you, that we cannot be certain the ID that we got, even if it's a valid ID, is not stolen. So we have the best-in-class ID experience that we have, which we serve worldwide. And we have served 50 million ID verifications so far, 30 million in last year only. This process is very simple. You take a picture, you upload it, and you compare it with a selfie. Here I would like to add over here is that we have already tested waters with HDFC Life. Unfortunately, we face challenges simply because we had the option whereby the passport will have only one document, one side, one page that will be uploaded, but the PAN card and the Aadhaar card will have the back page as well. Unfortunately, customers were not educated, or the change management process did not take place properly. They uploaded the document as PAN card and Aadhaar card into the passport category. Also, there was a condition whereby we also needed a back page of the PAN cards and the Aadhaar card, which was not required, as we understand from Government of India, with a lot of details already available in front page. So the old solution was we needed a backside, but the new solution that we have now is that all the information that we require, including the date of birth, is available in the Aadhaar card front page. In terms of technology, we can integrate ourselves with iOS, Android, web-based. We also have capability in terms of number of documents of national IDs. In fact, in India, we have different kind of passports, different kind of driver license, my apologies, not passport, different kind of driver license for each state, with old ones and new ones as well. We can support the rack space either we can store the data in Jumio PCI compliant data center or the customer's private data cloud. We also support languages in terms of Japanese and Chinese. Our Jumio account verification process is 80% quicker than any other competitor we have in the market. If we talk about our clients, our customers, we have from HSBC in banking domain to travel in Airbnb, from services 99 Design, gaming world to Bet365, and airlines, United Airlines. Now, how do we, as a Jumio, how do you serve yourself? So I leave it up to you in terms of question and answers. The jury.
Can you just talk to us about the facial recognition software that you have?
That's right. The facial recognition software that we have, it creates a GIF image. The person has to just put a camera, mobile phone in front of his face. The camera will capture the image, will get the GIF image, so it will be a moving image. We have the technology whereby the system will automatically check and correct whether the person we have captured, the picture stands same as the picture that we have on the ID or not.
Is this done offline or is it needs to talk to your cloud?
Yes, that's a good point. So it's not an offline and online thing. A person can easily take a picture and upload it. We have our workflow system whereby we will receive the document. A person will click the picture, he'll send it to the merchants or the customer database, which will be interlinked, intertalking to our database. We'll cross-check it and send the answer back. So in terms of our USP, the entire process takes just 2 minutes. I know when we talk about 2 minutes, the only thing that comes to mind is Maggie noodles. But our process is so strong that within 2 minutes we can give an answer.